everyone. Honor Philippines started the year 2025 strong with our ultimate challenge for the Honor X9C 5G. We teased this last January 1 or January 1st. Last year, December, we conducted our biggest test by dropping the Honor X9C 5G up in the skies from a 500 feet drop. Let's all watch this video for the result of the ultimate challenge. Gagawin natin yung ultimate test. Nakita niyo na, hinulog namin, sinagasaan, nilagyan ng blowtorch, ginawa na namin halos lahat. Pero ito ang ultimate test.
We're going to ride the chopper. We're going to go 400 to 500 feet high and drop this brand new X9C. Let's check if it will survive or not. Let's check this out. So, moment of truth, nakabukas pa ang screen. Of course, may mga scratches, given yan. Tubay. This phone, Honor X9C survived the ultimate challenge.
A round of applause for an incredible feat conducted by Honor Philippines. By Honor Philippines 500 feet ultimate challenge, and this, the Honor X9C 5G, survived the challenge. Proving that the Honor X9C 5G is the toughest phone. Now, one remaining question is left. How much is the Honor X9C 5G? Now, the toughest phone with all angle triple defense will be available for 16,999 pesos. What an incredible price for an outstanding durability. Still, outstanding durability, reliability, battery life, camera optics, and so much more. Guys, we remain the price still at this category, and we are going to dominate this price category. Plus, of course, this is a pre-order period for you and for everyone. Pre-order from today until January 24, and you will get an Honor gift box for free. Of course, we partner with industry financial providers and telco operators so you can get the Honor X9C 5G with ease. Get the Honor X9C 5G for as low as 24 pesos a day through Home Credit. You can also avail the Honor X9C 5G 12 months 0% interest through major credit cards. And lastly, for those who are interested via Globe postpaid plans, we will be available soon via Globe postpaid plan 1499 with one-time cash out of 1,800 pesos. I myself am so surprised that the Honor X9C 5G is providing all of these features in a package that cannot be compared by others. Truly, this is a unique smartphone only from Honor Philippines. But we reserve the best for the last.
Pre-order the X9C 5G and then you get a chance to win your like So guys, another watch another day. May pupuntahan tayo. Very special today. Kasama natin siyempre yung parents natin. And then paring G, siyempre, dami yung kape niyan. Pupuntahan natin natin si Sir Stephen, may promotion ata sila sa company nila. Gusto niya kumuha ng isang date just daw na fluted bezel and jubilee bracelet. May tayo ng mga accounting business with us. I-check niya kung ano yung mas mabagay daw dun sa promotion nila. And then bibili daw sila. Kaya puntaan natin. Thank you. Miss magiging ko rin, pare. Napotocopy ang dati mo. Bakit mo lang? Wala ako nagsimula, taga-timpla ng kape. Yun, all over. First up. Kamusta? Ang ganda naman ang combo mo. Kasi atang bigay niyo sa amin ito. Uy, maganda bigay namin for the record guys. Galing din kay Gentry ang combo na yun.
Kung ano ba nung taste nyo?
Okay, pare, syempre hindi kami basta-basta. This one, you're getting for honor for Christmas party nyo. And
Actually kasi, 2 years siya si Honor here in the Philippines.
Okay.
So basically, we want to give someone a brand new Rolex. So basically, pamamigay namin ito in one of our lucky customers.
Raffle kasing raffle. Any lucky customers nyo, nationwide to ba? So you're giving it out to one lucky winner.
Yeah, we have a campaign kasi ng January. The phone kasi is actually inspired by Rolex. Being durable. Yeah, this is the phone that will be launching in January.
Dati yung training yung binabalik.
It's the next version of it.
So ito, matibay din to. Darling. Ano nalaglag, sorry.
Inspired by Rolex.
How much are you selling this for?
We're selling it for 69.
16,999. So parang 17,000. Inspired siya dahil sa fluted bezel. Okay. Okay. Kaya pala sabi mo gusto ko date just yung fluted bezel. Ano nakita yung box, brother?
Namiss ko ba?
Namiss ko. Okay, drink. Ay, problema kay Honor. X9C, 5G na yan. Ang bilis nga mo, mas mabilis pa sa elevator din. Ilang RAM yan? 36 megabytes. Keeping aside, 12 gigabytes yung RAM niya. Kung pwede na mag-Dota. Mag-Dota lang. Pwede na kahit Viber. Pwede. Kaso nga,
Tayo sa this phone, actually a couple of days ago, testing kami, videos in testing the durability of the product.
Pag-finish mas mo, kasama ng parang ng COVID to eh. Boom.
Actually,
Pero bro, yun na rin ang age nyo talaga eh. Great, huwag ka naman tayo ng tarin. Ito na lang. Makakanta si Idol.
makulit yan eh.
Makapatay ko, Idol, tumalun na yung cellphone na.
So we shot this 2 days ago lang ata.
Boom. Ito dapat yung mga binibigay sa mga anak. Yung hindi nababasa. Kasi yung material na ginagamit nyo rin, matibay talaga. Especially glass. So si Rolex yun, magsak ng second floor. Baso yun, hindi. Tapos ano naman, yung water resistance niya.
2 meters, right? Actually, we have videos as well na niluluto namin siya. Hindi siya na-isir.
Oo, pinang-ina. Yun o, ginawang ramen. Una agad, cellphone agad.
So, I can truly say that this is the most durable smartphone of all time. As of 2025, kung mag-launch na ito next year. Ang ganda ng screen, bro.
Oo, AMOLED na siya, di ba?
AMOLED
na yan, bro. Curve pa yan, bro. Hindi basta-basta. Maganda pa yung curve. Ito, isip ko parang curve na. Pagka curve puta, mas strong yan sa mga bitches. Oo. Kaya nila i-resist yan. Kaya nga. Kung sabi natin dito, Exil ba? Bibigyan mo ako ng mga cellphone?
So, lahat kasi mag-pre-order sa amin na ito. You get a chance to win the watch that we'll be getting today.
Oh, yun yung campaign nyo. Pre-order the X9C 5G and then you get a chance to win a Rolex.
Ilang Rolex yung brother? Lima? Depende sa presyo niya.
Tingnan natin. Alright, so here we have all the 36mm's. Meron tayong blue, meron tayong 41 blue.
This is really nice.
Ganda, para sa lahat. Anniversary, this is reference 116234 na anniversary dial black with Roman. And it's relatively cheap, 139,000. Nanda yun? Black. Relatively cheap yan, brother. Pasok na lang. Especially yan, black.
Deal.
Yan, sige. 539,000 pesos. Sabi na?
Depende. Anong...
Since Brother Campaign and Gentry timepiece na lahat ng paring group would be very happy to be part of your campaign at saka yung paglo-launch na itong very astonishing na X9C na server. O, diba? Parang wala na. 520 na sila. 520, of course.
Para sa isang lucky honor fan.
Lucky honor fan, lucky winner ng Rolex Datejust. Grabe. Kailan ba ang awarding?
The awarding will be February 3.
February 3. Gusto mo, pagnoon. Ay, mag-award din sa customer mo yun, ano? Thank you. Yeah. Sige. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Sige.
2, 3, 500.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ilan ng pera?
I think mo ito ang mga customer natin ito.
Brother, it was a pleasure ibibigay mo, di ba? Alakagin mo yun sa ulo mo, bahala. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Boss mo to. Ang maniyak ko. Kaya na, salam. May ayos pa rin din. Okay, what? Guys, kita na naman, di ba? Dami ng kumpanya namimigay ng Rolex, pare. High speed, pare. Boom, boom. Oh, boom. Parang gila. Parang kung magkapi, may sakot sa baba.
Everyone, please welcome the premier watch content creator in the country, Parihan from Gen 3 Timepieces.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Good evening everyone and thank you. It's an honor to be here. Siyempre sa honor sa launching ng X9C 5G. Grabe.
Yes, so Parihan, you've seen the phone and of course, binagsak mo pa and also you did some tests.
Napanood ba nila yung video?
Yes.
Binagsak ko yun. Hindi lang pinakita lahat pero mas maraming beses kung binagsak ng video na yun.
Yeah, so we have here a special partnership and of course,
yes,
kita-kita nyo right now, if they pre-order an Honor X9C 5G, pwede silang manalo na
Rolex Datejust. Pakita ko na ba? Gusto nyo ba makita? Actually, it's here eh. So to everyone, this is nationwide, tama?
Yes.
Nationwide, everyone who can order, or pre-order rather, on their websites or dealership or anywhere actually, has a chance to win one Rolex Datejust 36mm. Reference 116234, gusto nyo ba? Diba?
yung mga specs.
It's really nice. You guys are crazy, no?
Yeah. So,
raffling up your Rolex, ganun lang, grabe. This is 520,000 pesos, guys. Binili nila.
Siyempre, manage dapat yung mga activities.
Tama naman. So, really, well, I mean, I wouldn't, actually, sinasabi nga ng iba, why Rolex now?
Yes.
That's a lot of question. Why would you raffle Rolex? Actually, may konting resemblance kasi. Etong X9 natin, X9C 5G, may konting resemblance yan dun sa Datejust na to.
Yes.
Which is the fluted bezel niya. As you can see sa Rolex dito, fluted yung bezel niya. It has a certain pattern. Same pattern that you can find on the back. Yes, on the bezel of the X9C 5G. Kaya naisipan nyo na why not also use Rolex. And of course, actually that photo does not do justice eh. Kasi mas maganda tong hawak ko kaysa dun sa photo pa na yun. Because this one is a Jubilee bracelet, guys, okay? So, yes, very excited. Doon sa mananalo, nationwide, kung sino man yung manalo nito, we will be personally giving out this one to them on our lounge na doon sa Gen 3 Timepieces. So, papupuntahin talaga namin sila doon to get their Rolex Datejust. And this will be on February 10, tama? If I'm not mistaken, somewhere.
To clarify, so kailangan nila mag-pre-order from today until January 24.
Okay.
And then they get their pre-orders, of course. So once they get their pre-orders, they register their official entry sa website na may popost namin on our official Facebook channel. And of course, yung raffle will be on February 3.
Grabe.
But of course, yung sinabi nyo earlier, you will be the one who will personally hand off this Rolex Datejust sa Gen 3 Timepieces at Green Hills.
Who's excited? Pwede rin ba sumali? Baka naman pwede rin ako sumali dyan. Baka mamaya makuha ko ulit. Diba? Sayang din eh.
Sino excited sumali sa promo, guys?
Sino ang sasali na lang? Can we see? Sino ang sasali sa raffle? Who will pre-order?
Guys, that's our Rolex.
Right now, how many pre-orders na do we have?
Well, I can't disclose right now. Sorry, on the page.
Sayang naman.
Pero libo-libo yan.
I'm sure libo-libo yan. Here you go. So, you hold on to that until we find our winner. Grabe. Actually, binigay niya sa akin kanina itong X9. Iba talaga yung design eh.
Yes.
Honestly, it's crazy, guys. You guys are crazy. Like, who would... Di ba? Ang saya. Like, scratch-proof siya, water
Resistant.
heat
Heat resistant.
heat resistant, drop resistant, some would agree wife resistant pa daw, di ba?
And as you mentioned, you want to pre-order nga for your team.
Yes. Sabi ko nga, mag-pre-order din kami para sa team namin kasi medyo stressful na kami sa, sa work. So, pag binabato namin to, parang okay lang. No harm, no foul.
Alright?
Yeah?
So with that, Parang, please invite them to your channel,
Yes,
of course.
please. Actually, guys, yung video that we just showed you was just posted very recently, kanina lang, 7 o'clock on our TikTok page, on our Facebook page, Paring Hype, or Hype Azures dun sa Facebook ko, Paring Hype naman on TikTok. Ayun. So, Gentry Timepieces as well. You can visit us. If you want any Rolexes, bawal tumawad. Yun lang.
Alright.
Kayo lang pwede na tumawad. Bawal na tumawad sa amin. Hindi guys, joke lang. Siyempre pwede pa rin tumawad. Yun. Thank you so much guys. Have a good evening and I'm very excited. Sana isa sa inyo dito ang manalo. Huwag nang lumayo, di ba? Thank you so much.
Alright. Once again, guys, Parang Hype from Gentry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, gentlemen. Please do remain on stage as we're going to have a photo of all together. One more time, get up for Paring Hype with, of course, the Rolex tied up.
Akin na ba to?
Ha? Diba? Nakakapawas ng stress, diba?
Yes.
I'd like to call on to the stage Pao Oga, PR Manager. He's already with us. Mr. Stephen Cheng, Honor Philippines Vice President, who shelled out 520,000 pesos for this. Sa maraming salamat, sir. Maraming galing po sa kanya, palakpakan po natin. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Please join us on stage, sir. Sean Yuan, Country Manager, Go-to-Market Director Stephen Yan, National Training Head Jaynard Lamarca, and Brand Marketing Manager Joby Liboon. Please join us on stage for a photo together with Paring Hype. And of course, Ison. 16,999. That is the official price for all our partners and dealers. Please, we're going to have a photo op all together here. There you have it. The date just at the center with the new Honor X9C 5G, ladies and gentlemen. One of you gets a chance to get that beautiful Datejust, and of course to be given by Paring Hype on, of course, their studio lounge. You can check them out.